Okay, now here we go with the walls and do some interior walls. Now here I'm in this level 1, and this time I brought in the floor plans of this house. So what we're going to do here, you saw beam systems pop up, but don't worry about that. What we're going to do here, we're going to place these walls in here, as you can see. So all you do to do that is just go architecture, we go to wall, and we'll use the architectural wall here. Cancel that. And I'm going to go wall here. I'm going to go up to level 2. I'm going to use the I'm going to use this exterior standard 2. It's brick on metal stud because I already created it. And here I made this wall. You go edit. This is a 10-inch wall. So I'm just going to go OK here. OK there. And now I'm going to go over here in this area and start placing these walls. So to do that, I'm going to just do a pick line. Probably the fastest way to do it. Finish face interior. So that means click the interior face. And I'll go on here. Now it's not picking the, we're going to clean that up in a little bit. Okay, that's not right there. So let me just take that one out. Actually, we can just do this here. We're going to modify, and let's close these off. We'll do the windows and doors later. Let's go here. Oops. I'm going to select this wall and this wall. Now, as we can see, that wall is not right. It's too low, so let's go tab in here. And let's select it. And what do we have here in the properties? That wall base constraint is level 1. We want to take this guy up to level 2. There we go. And this one will be as well. You should always do this first. To level 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and complete this wall. Okay, so now let me go back into the architecture. I want to go to wall, and I want to select this wall here. Now the height should be here. It should be level 2. And then interior finish face interior. And so I should do a chain here. Actually, it might be better, but let's just do the pick line for now. So let's pick this line right here. See the little dash line? Once it goes inside, you just click it. And let's finish these off right here. And then we'll do this one. And let's pick line. I don't know, I thought pick line would be a faster, well, maybe. Okay. We'll continue with the wall. Let's try this. Let's do a change select. Maybe that'll be faster here for this wall. So we got my wall here, architecture, wall. I've got change selected, so I should be able to go here. I'll go right there. Actually, I want to take that out. When I undo that, let's start from this point and we'll clean it up later. Yeah, this is probably the fastest way to do this. Go to this point here. Come down to, say, right here. Come this way. Yeah, this is faster. Go there. To that interior. Bring this on around. As you can see in the 3D view, the wall is being generated. Come to this point. Go on down to here. So what I did, I brought this floor level in and I scaled it like we did the foundation. Now here, we're looking at a different wall type, but I'm gonna just see what, these are the same. Yep. No, this is probably something else. So let's see what we got on our 3D view, folks. So there's our wall. Now, what's going on over here? This appears to be a different wall. Let me just delete this briefly and see what's happening here. No. Actually, that wall cuts back to there and we get a different wall type. So we can measure that and create that wall. So let me undo that. And let's just push this guy back to about there. Actually, this should be here. Now, so these are different walls apparently going through here. And let's go and measure them, see what size we got here. So we just go into the measure tool here. And manage or modify. And just measure this wall thickness, 6 inches. So here we can just go into our architecture tab and go with wall, and let's go with a architecture wall and see if we have a 6-inch generic wall in here. We do. We can change it later. And we can do the pick line finish face for this. Actually, let's draw this one in. Let's just go wall architecture. We'll take that guy and let's go from here. Let's just, we can pick line this. So these walls are different back here. So let's put one here. Now right here, you can see what's going on. That's the opening there. We'll deal with that later. So I'm going to just knock this out. And I'm going to go and place a wall here. Using pick line. And then let's close this off. We can get rid of this one too. Now let's shut this down right here. Do modify, trim to extend. We can do it in the 3D view. It's probably better for us. So we go grab this wall, and there. And actually right here, what we had here, we've had this one here. So let's drag this guy over. He should be up to this point right here. So there's our walls, and we need another one right over here. This is also looks like a 6-inch. In fact, all of these around here are 6 inches, and it's probably wood or some type of masonry, but let's go ahead and put it in with the 6. We can always change it later. So, remember what this is. Oh, we got to modify our floor. Well, we'll do the porch later anyway. So let's go in here and put this wall in here. Got some cleanup to do there too. So let's just do a pick line in this view. Okay, now let's go here and clean this up here. See, where are we over in our 3D view? Let's this wall right here. Now what happened? Where did it go? See, it's wrong. You gotta always check your properties over here. So let's just do a match. Let's match this guy. Gonna modify, match. Let's match this wall and this wall. So there it is. So there are walls, folks, and you got to do some modifying over here. Okay, now this is wrong, so let's go in this view and pull this back to there. And let's extend to intersect here first and then move this in. Okay. Now that foundation wall went there, so let's do this. And just align this if you like. So let's just align from that point to that point. And now let's put another wall here. Let's have a look and see what's happening in here. So this is a utility room, so there must be something happening down below here, right next to the garage. So I'm going to leave that there for now. We'll figure out what's happening there. But in the meantime, we will just draw this wall here. Let's just pick this line. Okay. And we need another wall here. I'm going to cheat on this one. Just move him in a little bit. Now, we've got our walls in. And let's have a look in our 3D view. So we got a little working to do here, but that looks pretty good. And we need to fix these other material. So let's go grab and do some interior walls now. Let's put some of these interior walls going into this area over here. So let's go and just say these are, looks like the 6-inch. So we'll make them generic because we're going to go later and do finishes on them. So generic up to level, base constraint, top is level 2. And we probably go up to the higher levels eventually, but probably not here. So let's go and do our pick line again. So let's pick up, undo that. The trick here is once you see the little dash line, so I'll do a pick line again. Once you see the little dash line, go that side and you click it. And that wall looks a little bit too thick. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to edit this type here. I'm going to just select it. It's giving me a warning, overlap warning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo that because I got 2 walls there. And I'm going to undo that. So now this wall right here, this is probably a 4-inch. Let's do a quick measure here. It's interior wall. Yep, it's 4-inch. So let's go and do architectural wall. And it's a generic 6, so let's go get a generic 6. Let's do the 4 7/8 interior partition. Or do they have a generic 4 here? Generic 4. Getting lazy. I don't want to create a wall. I'll use generic and we'll make these later. So let's go with this generic Now let's go to the interior wall. Half the work will be done for us. So let's do this interior 4 7/8 inch. Let's take this one. And let's do our pick line. Now we're going to give it our height, and our height is the level 2. So let's go and pick our lines again. So let's pick this one. Let's undo that. It's off. So let's go wall. And wall center line. We want to go wall center line, finish face, interior. So I'm going to do this with a change select. So I'm going to go here. No, finish face interior would be here. There we go. So to this point, to here. In fact, let's just take this all the way through, because these will be closets and door openings. Then let's go over here and add a few here. So let's go with here. Put it just right there. Be a wall here as well. This is a little thicker, but no, that's good. Go right there for our laundry room. So you see, you get the picture here. What's happening here? Everything's sort of falling right into place here. So go with one here. What happened there? Let's see. Let's undo that and see what do we do wrong. So let's go with the wall here. Let's take a point here. And let's take this right down along through here. Walls are overlapping, so that's what's happening right here, apparently. So let's just pull this apart. That should take care of that. Now let's come over here and do this pantry. So this place has kind of got an open floor plan. Let's go in our 3D view here and make the home view. So this is a quick way to do a house from a PDF. That's basically all it is. So I'm going to go with my wall again. The basic interior. Is that it? Yep. There. Put one in there. There. So our floor plan is falling into place. So all this is kitchen area over here. We have an entry there and a door there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop a few doors in here. Actually, let's go over here and fix this. So we have a wall here. We'll say there and through to there. Then we'll have a wall here for the lab and the bathroom. Go from here through to here and take this guy right through there. So the first floor is not going to be that bad. This is a nice open layout this family has. It's kind of like, so then that's pretty much it for this level. And then we need to add doors and bathroom equipment and our stairs. This is our, let's add some exterior, some wall elements, or some, yeah, which would be doors. So I'm going to go to architecture door, just to see. Yes. So let's go grab a nice door. Okay, let's see. I like to just tab through here, scroll down, and let's go to residential. Exterior door. Well, we can really get fancy with this, but for now, I think I like door number 2. Yes, this is an exterior door. Let's open that one up. And let's take a 36 by, we can go with a big one here. Let's see. Let's do a 36 by 84. That's pretty standard. And let's place it right there, because that's how they've got it in that plan over there. It's placed right about there. So there's our door. And then we've got a rear door here. And that door is placed about right here. Now we might want to switch, I don't know which is, this is probably the front. But we want to flip this because it's actually, he has a double door here. But what's going on right here? Don't know what's happening there. But they didn't know which side they were going to open it. I think it would be best to open it this way. And then let's pick another door type. So to do that, it's going to edit type. And let's see what we have here. Oh, that's the only one we have. So we can load one like this. Let's go with this one for this door. And let's do the 36 by 84 again. But I want a 3 foot. Let's do that one. And then hit OK. And there's our door. So now let's place a couple of windows here. And then I'm going to leave it at that. And you guys can figure the rest of this out. Now we're not seeing the windows because of our walls are blocking them out here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just do a wireframe here on this view. And there's our windows. So let's place a window here. Yes, we're going to load the windows. So let's do exterior double full glass. Those are doors. We want windows. So Revit always remembers what you went into last as far as families. It's around, let's see. Let's just scroll through these windows. I'm going to go to double hung. Let's do the double hung here. And we don't have a window size there. So let's go to that's between the den or bedroom. Let's make this a 36 by, let's see. We can measure it later. Let's go with a, in this room, I would say a 36 by 36. Let's just use that for now. We could have loaded them all in actually. So let's place that window right about here. Now it's much bigger than that apparently. So let's go back to our window. Let's insert. Actually, since we're out here, let's measure this guy. Measure, so what's the window width here? You got a, wow, 6 foot, okay. That's a big window, so let's go insert. Load family. And let's put our window here. So let's go with the double hung again. And we want a 6 by, let's go with a 6 by 4 with the 6 feet. For a den, let's just go with a, no, it's too small. Sorry to say, because we don't have the heights, but we could look on elevation, so let's just put these in now, and we'll modify them later. So just for sake, we go with our window. And we'll place her there. Yep, that's the 6 foot. No, I don't like that one. It's too, see, look, what we got here. We should do it a 6 by 7. Oh yeah, 17 inches. Oh no. So let's edit type. Let's load another one. Let's go with the window double hung. And let's go with a, I think we're gonna have to create that. But anyway, let's go with this one here. That's a little better. Okay, folks, so I'm going to leave it here, and we're going to continue this in another video. But hey, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you all being safe, and until next time, this is more Revit training with Robert, and I will see you in my next video. So everybody, please be safe, take care of yourselves, and until next time. So we're going to go ahead and finish this off. And look in the elevation, check the window heights and door sizes and everything. And then we're going to put our floor in for the garage. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.